Hi, I'm Aron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about what makes a strong elevator pitch. Now, why does that matter to a marketing agency? Well, in terms of marketing communication, one of the main things we're trying to do is convey your value proposition to your customers. An elevator pitch is a way of conveying that information in as few words as possible, and it's astonishing the number of business owners we talk to who don't have a clear way of communicating to their customers what sets them and their products apart from the competition. The main problem we see with a lot of people's value propositions is that they're wishy-washy, vague, or include a ton of buzzwords that don't really convey any actual details about their products or services. We've even been guilty of this ourselves in the past. There used to be a time when we would describe ourselves as an agile, people-first marketing agency and tell people that we were there to help them grow their businesses. Well, none of that actually cuts to the heart of what we do as a business, which is help luxury e-commerce brands build video-driven websites that eliminate confusion and increase conversions. And if you listen to both of the things I just said, you should notice right away that the second one does a much better job describing our business than the wishy-washy one we used to use. So, what makes a great elevator pitch? Well, number one, it has to explain specifically who your target audience is. And we hear all the time, oh, my product is for everyone. The majority of the time, that's not true. Your product or service is going to solve specific problems for one group of people more effectively than another group of people. And that might come down to something as simple as the price point or the quality that you provide. And second, your pitch should actually tell people what the heck it is you help your customers achieve. And I mean specifically, it's really easy to fall into the trap of making an elevator pitch or value proposition where you tell people really broadly what you help them achieve, but you don't actually get into the details that set you apart from your competition. It's not enough to say things like, we help businesses thrive, or we make the best quality products. You need to get down to the nitty-gritty of what you actually do for your customers. Finally, you need to explain how you do what you do for your customers. If you sell clothing, for example, you might help your customers look their best by sourcing excellent designs from reputable designers using the highest quality materials. Or for example, if you help small business owners scale from solopreneur to their first 10 employees, you might do so by introducing them to proven systems and courses that allow them to implement processes that actually work. What this all comes down to is that the key to a good elevator pitch is clarity. Clarity in your audience, clarity in your services, and clarity in the results that you're able to produce for your customers. Once you have your value proposition down, it can inform all of your marketing efforts, from a website that actually converts to marketing campaigns that actually drive engagement. It all starts with clarity and communication. And look, I know that figuring out the perfect elevator pitch can be complicated. And if you need some help getting there, we'd love to have a conversation with you. I encourage you to book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.